Hi there. I'm Sarah, your host here at 60 and Stylish, where we celebrate age, wisdom, and the fabulousness of living life in your 60s and beyond. Our channel is all about empowering women to embrace their unique beauty, individuality, and confidence through timeless fashion and style. Today, we're diving into an iconic wardrobe staple that's perfect for women of every age, the denim jacket. Whether you're looking to freshen up your wardrobe, simplify your outfit choices, or just rock a timeless piece, the denim jacket is the ultimate versatile companion. Let's explore how to style it with effortless flair for women over 60. The denim jacket has been a fashion favorite for decades, and there's a reason for its enduring popularity. Its casual yet chic vibe makes it the perfect layering piece, whether you're heading out for coffee, running errands, or catching up with friends. For women over 60, the denim jacket offers a blend of comfort, durability, and understated elegance. Pairing it with the right outfits can effortlessly elevate your style, giving you a youthful, vibrant look without trying too hard. Plus, its versatility means it works in every season, making it a staple you can wear all year round. Let's delve into some chic ways to make the denim jacket your new best friend. Not all denim jackets are created equal. Finding one that fits well and complements your personal style is essential. Pay attention to the cut, color, and fit. Classic blue denim is always a winner, but don't shy away from experimenting with black, white, or pastel tones for a modern twist. Opt for a fit that suits your body shape, relaxed for a casual vibe, or slightly tailored for a polished appearance. And don't forget the details. Embellishments, stitching, or distressed edges can add personality to your jacket. Let's move on to how you can style this gem effortlessly. One of the best things about a denim jacket is how seamlessly it pairs with everyday basics. Throw it over a soft cotton tee and your favorite pair of trousers for a relaxed yet put-together look. Or layer it over a casual dress for an easy, breezy outfit. The key is balance. Let the denim jacket shine while keeping the rest of your outfit simple. Don't hesitate to experiment with textures. Think silk scarves, knit sweaters, or linen blouses. These combinations make for effortless, timeless ensembles that radiate confidence. Yes, you can wear a denim jacket to a special event. Pair it with a flowy maxi dress or an elegant midi skirt for a look that's equal parts classy and comfortable. Add some statement jewelry and a pair of heeled sandals or boots, and you're good to go. The beauty of the denim jacket lies in its ability to tone down overly formal pieces, creating a sophisticated yet relaxed vibe. Perfect for garden parties, brunches, or even a casual evening out. Don't shy away from mixing your denim jacket with bold patterns or prints. Floral dresses, striped shirts, or even polka dot skirts can be fabulous companions. The trick is to let one piece take center stage, whether it's the jacket or the print. Keeping accessories minimal can also help achieve a cohesive look. This playful pairing is perfect for women who love experimenting with their wardrobe while keeping things effortlessly chic. A denim jacket can easily transition from casual to dressy with just a few tweaks. For a laid-back vibe, pair it with sneakers and leggings. Want something dressier? Swap the sneakers for ankle boots and add a silk blouse underneath. Accessories can also play a big role. From chunky necklaces to elegant scarves, the right accents can elevate your outfit in seconds. Accessories are the icing on the cake, and with a denim jacket, the possibilities are endless. Think about scarves, hats, or statement necklaces that reflect your personality. A lightweight scarf can add a touch of sophistication, while a bold necklace can draw attention upward. And don't forget your handbag. Whether it's a classic tote or a trendy crossbody, your bag can tie the entire outfit together. Layering is a skill that every stylish woman should master, and the denim jacket makes it so easy. Use it as a lightweight layer over a cardigan or under a coat for those chillier days. Experiment with long-line shirts, tunics, or sweaters for an added dimension to your outfit. Layering isn't just practical, it also adds depth and interest to your overall look. Heading out on a trip? Don't forget your denim jacket. Its versatility makes it an ideal travel companion. It's light enough to throw over your shoulders when it gets chilly, yet sturdy enough to withstand a day of sightseeing. Plus, it pairs well with everything from jeans to skirts, making it the ultimate multitasking piece in your travel wardrobe. To keep your denim jacket looking its best, proper care is essential. Wash it sparingly to maintain its color and shape. When you do wash it, use cold water and avoid harsh detergents. Air drying is always preferable to prevent shrinkage. A little care goes a long way in ensuring your jacket remains a long-lasting staple in your wardrobe. Thank you for joining me on 60&Stylish. The denim jacket is a timeless piece that truly transcends age, and I hope these styling tips have inspired you to embrace this versatile classic in your wardrobe. Remember, style isn't about following trends. It's about feeling confident and fabulous in whatever you wear. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another episode of 60&Stylish. See you next time.